This right here might be the best coffee I think I've had. I can't wait to share this new open source component with you. My goal is to create components and tools that you love as much as coffee. I know that that's a high bar to set, but if you just stay with me just a little bit, you're going to see some really cool custom components that are compartmentalized so that you can build, innovate, and create really cool applications online. All right. What I have here is a node-based diagram system, okay? What this means is that you could put little boxes on a screen and make it dynamic. Now, there's a range of ways that this is actually useful. These diagrams could be interactive. These nodes are clickable. It supports light and dark mode. There is drag and drop. There is compartmentalization. There is interactivity. There are quick layout switches and edges and use cases. This right here is a really cool component to especially pair with other components. And that's the real beauty in this. What I'm doing and what I'm showing and what I'm sharing, it is a catalog. This is not just a single component. I have in what is my little dash open source DEX of tools and useful capabilities that I have curated and perfected. Right up here, you can find that for dash flows, we have about 8,000 downloads. This is one of the most popular components that I have built so far, and there's a reason for it. And when you pair this component with something such as mapping or generative, functions, such as AI APIs, and trying to pair and understand where your target is and where it starts and the input and the output nodes, you can really create something that is smart, intelligent, and capable. And if you don't really want to dig into the nook and cranny of all the documentation, you can just use this llms.txt. I have included this in all of the components that I have built. And with this, by just copying this link and referring it to your own Claude Code session or any, AI that you choose as your preference, you can quickly have the full inner workings of this individual component and all of the individual components within my network. So you can quickly, easily, and effectively build your own dash flows and start to really accumulate some really cool node-based diagrams and systems and establish what is this dashboard that sets you apart from the rest. And that's what I'm trying to do here. And not only that, I'm sponsoring people. I am giving people money so that they can kickstart what is their programming adventures, right? And right here is a fun, there is no requirements at all except, follow the rules, of course, but there are 5 events that I'm hosting for fun. You don't need to sign up for anything. I don't need your money. I don't want it. All I'm just trying to do is see if you could play old school RuneScape, if you could build something with the documentation that I have, or if you build something with the components, for instance, dash flows, or, if you were able to find a bug or create a video about any of the content and things that I am currently doing and building. So with that, not only can you build out with this really cool component, but in this short window of time, you could also make yourself a fair bit of money if you're skilled. But anyway, with that, thanks for watching. I will see you guys in the next one. And as always, build something amazing.